In this video, I will show you how to download and install Iris for your Minecraft. So first, we need to go to this link that you will be able to find in the description. Also, we need to go to another link. It's the same, it will be in the description. But first, we need to go to Iris. Here, we go to click on download, and now here we download the Universal Heart. We just open, and here we choose the version. For me right now, the latest version is the 1.21.4, and here we have different types of installation. This one is for only the shaders, and this one is for shaders, and also if you want to install any other mod, I will choose the Iris plus Fabric. And now we go to install. Also remember, this will delete all your mods in the mods folder, so keep that in mind. We go to install. As you can see, it's saying that there are some files in the mods folder, but I don't care. We go to yes, and this will delete all the files inside it. You can see now it's installed, so we need to open Minecraft. Now here, as you can see, this will be different. Now this will be what do you need to see. This is the fabric loader. This means Iris installed. We can also check going to the folder. If we go here and we click on this folder, and now we go to mods. As you can see, we find here the 3 mods needed for the Iris to be working. Now we need to install some shaders. So if you go to the second link in the description, this will lead to this shader, for example. I found the BSL shaders. And we go to the versions. Here you can select the version you want. Also make sure when you install a shader is compatible with Iris. You can click here to download it, or we can also go here, select the version, and also this is Iris, and download it. Once it's downloaded, we need to go to the mods folder. So we go to the launcher and go here. We need the Minecraft folder, and now we need to find a folder called Shader Packs. We go down here, as you can see, this is the folder we are looking for. Here you can see I have different shaders installed. Now we can go to the downloads and just copy and paste it the new shader installed. Go to copy. Now we paste, and now we need to open Minecraft. Okay, so now in Minecraft, you go to the options tab, we go to video settings, and here as you can see this is different from Minecraft, so this means that Iris is working. And here on the shader packs, we can find all the shaders. I have different options because I already had some installed. We need to click here on enable, and now we'll find the shader I just downloaded. This one here, this one. I'll just apply and go to the word to see if it's working. So as you can see, this is different. You can see the lighting is different and everything. So this means it's working perfectly fine. So that's everything for the video. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.